Now stand aside, worthy adversary.
Jefferson Sharp. This is your 59 Bassman reissue LTD, which I believe has some distinguishing characteristics from the traditional reissue. Haven't done any research on these in a long time, but I remember from scouring the forums a long time ago. Maybe it's a plate voltage thing. I can't quite remember, but this is the long and short of it. And we do have some suspicious caps. The main caps on the little doghouse below your chassis here test okay, which they shouldn't, but they do. But this is an issue. These, if you look at these green wires here, that leads back over to your pilot lamp. And what's that mean? That means these are your little artificial center tap for your filament supply. These go to ground. It looks like you probably had a tube short that caused an over voltage or over current situation in these guys. The funny thing is, they still test great, which makes no sense. But we got to replace these guys, no doubt. Your no blown fuses. I'm going to put these on the tester. I don't know if I'm going to test these in circuit, but I may. I mean, I have a current limited power supply. I might as well see what's up. Could also be a short within this rectifier. This is the original complement of tubes on this old guy here. So I'll give you an update soon. Bye.